mahaba pa yung kanilang biyahe. Pero alam niyo yung wedding daw o yung married life, parang mahaba biyahe din. No? Walang mga mapa, walang mapa. There is only a commitment to stay on the same path, to love, honor, and cherish each other every day. So to all of you, our dear family, friends, relatives, and caring sponsors, and to all of you who made this wonderful event happen, thank you so much for coming. You're all indeed God's blessings to Omel and Chris. Once again, Omel and Chris, show us how much you love each other. Countdown tayo ulit, gusto niyo? Alright, countdown daw kami. Okay, kiss! Again, Omel and Chris. Ready? Go! 100, 99, 98, 97, 96. Congratulations once again and best wishes to Omel and Chris. Thank you so much for coming. And thank you to Manila South Woods. Thank you guys. And to our JMB Sounds and Lights. For your sounds and lights needs, ha? Ayan sila, ating mga kaibigan. And also our friends from, ano pangalan nyo? Benji's. Auto and Video Coverage Services. Thank you so much. Congratulations once again to Omel and Chris. May God bless us all. Thank you. Ingat po sa pag-uwi. It's party time! Pwede po mag-party-party? Guys, celebration!